We are now in class activity number 1 for lesson 2. Number of tails. Suppose suppose 3 coins are tossed. Let y be the random variable representing the number of tails that occur. Find the probability of each of the values of the random variable y. So we have the following steps and the solution. So let's do this. First, let's determine the sample space. Let H represent your head and T represent for tail. So, let's find the sample space. So, we have now tail, 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 head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, and head, head, head. So that will be your sample space. So, second, count the number of tails in each outcome in the sample space and assign this number to this outcome. So, we will write again the possible outcomes that we write earlier in here. This is all in sample space. So again, tail, tail, tail. We have tail, tail, head. We have tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, head. Sorry, tail, head, head, and head, head, head. So now let's count. Your random variable y represents the number of tails. So we have 3. Here, 2, 2, 2. We have 1, 1, and 0. Next step. These are 4 possible values of the random variable y representing the number of tails. Thus, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Next, assign probability values p of y here to each value of the random variable. So, kanina, nakita naman natin na yung random variables niya ay 0, possible random variables. 1, 2, tsaka 3. So, let's have now the probability. There are 8 possible outcomes, right? And here, there are no tails occurs once. So, the probability that we shall assign to the random variable 0 is 1 over 8. Yan. Since once lang natin siya nakita. Next, here, again, there are 8 possible outcomes and nakita natin si 1 na try siya lumabas. So, therefore, the probability will be 3 over 8. Next, in random variable 2, yan, tatlo din. Tatlong beses lumabas si 2, na dalawang beses makikita si tail. So, therefore, the probability is 3 over 8. And lastly, si 3 tails occurs once pa din. So, 1 over 8. Okay, so the number of tails We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Under probability, 1 over 8 for 0, 3 over 8 for 1, 3 over 8 for 2, and 1 over 8 for